Now keep in mind this was a required weekly test that was received yesterday through KWCA 101.1 here. I'm just now getting the chance to record it because I've been busy doing other stuff yesterday. But yeah, see, beginning at 11:28 a.m. and ending at 12:28 p.m. KSOR. No, I don't want to clear it. Go to alerts. View alert log. Received. Send. Yes. Stored. And send.
You're listening to Southern Oregon University's Jefferson Public Radio. Following is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
And there you have it.